Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on more security settings. And on this page, you will find the option of secure folder. Just tap on it, then tap on continue. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to create the secure folder. Then tap on done. Now just create a password for your secure folder. You have the option of a PIN, a password, and a pattern. For now, I will select the PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Now once you create your PIN, then tap on continue. Select use anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN and select OK. Tap on allow and tap on next. And once you do that, you will create the secure folder on your Samsung phone. Now you can locate the secure folder when you go to your home screen. Now just swipe up and open the app drawer. And in the app drawer, you'll find the secure folder. And this is how you can create secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.